Many health insurance policies have sublimits. So what do we mean by sublimits? How would you explain that?
So there are various kinds of sublimits. Now, one sublimit could be a sublimit for disease. So typically a specific kind of disease. So typically most Mediclaim policies would have a sublimit, for example, for cataract treatment. That disease, the sublimit could be 25,000 for one eye, 50,000 for two eyes. Even though your policy may be for 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, for cataract they may restrict their reimbursement say to 25 or 50. So this is a disease led sublimit. There could be other sublimits, and let's talk about the what I call the most significant of those sublimits, which is the room rent sublimit. Now not every policy has this room rent sublimit, but all the public sector companies have this. The room rent that you can get paid is restricted to 1% of the sum insured per day. And let me tell you the impact of this. Let's assume you have a 3 lakh policy. Now in a 3 lakh policy, your room rent sublimit is 3,000 rupees. So if you stay in a room that costs more than 3,000 rupees, then you are not going to be paid the additional rent. 1. 2, more importantly, since in hospitals the other expenditure is incurred based on the amount, based on the kind of room that you stay in, you are eligible only for the expenditure that you would have incurred had you stayed in the room that you were eligible for. This example will illustrate this. You had this policy of 3 lakhs with a room rent limit of 3,000 rupees. Now let's take a hospital where a general ward comes at 1,000 rupees rent a day, twin sharing room comes at 3,500 rupees, single room say comes at 5,000 rupees. Now as per your policy, you are eligible for only a general ward. You are not eligible for a twin sharing, since that costs 3,500. Let's further assume that an angioplasty costs 50,000 rupees if you were to get admitted to the general ward. It costs you about 2.5 lakhs if you get admitted to a twin sharing room, and it costs you about 4 lakhs if you get it done in a single room. Now, how much will you get reimbursed? You have a 3 lakh policy, you got an angioplasty done by staying in a twin sharing room, which means it cost you 2.5 lakhs. This 2.5 lakhs is well within your overall limit of 3 lakhs policy that you have had, but what you will get reimbursed is only 50,000 rupees. That is because all expenditure will be reimbursed based on the amount that you would have spent had you stayed in the room that you were eligible for. So this room rent sublimit is an extremely significant thing, and I would advise very, very strongly that please do not take a Mediclaim policy that has a specific value sublimit on the room rent. Imagine today 3,000 rupees is still probably within an acceptable limit. This limit is going to remain frozen, but the room rents are going to rise very soon. For most of the diseases, the amount that you will be able to get will be very, very low.